In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your new button is working the way you expect. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Base44 website. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to authenticate, which is normal. Once you're in, you'll land on the main interface. Look for the apps section in the navigation. This is where all your projects live, and it's the quickest way to jump into the app you want to modify. Open the app you intend to edit. If you have a lot of projects, take a second to make sure you're selecting the right one for today's change. When the app loads, you'll be taken into the editor workspace. This is where you can make changes to pages and components, and it's the place we'll use to add the new button. With the editor open, find the input or command area where you can type actions. In Base44, you can simply type create a button. This instructs the editor to generate a button component for you. Before you type, it helps to make sure you're on the page where you want the button to appear, so the editor places it in the right context. After you type create a button, give the system a moment to process. You should see a default button added to the current page or layout. If your workspace is organized into multiple views, confirm you're on the correct one so the button shows up where it's needed. To see the button as your users would, switch into preview. Preview mode runs your app in a test environment, which helps you check placement, click behavior, and overall layout without publishing changes to everyone. It's a safe way to confirm that the button was created and appears correctly. Some apps require authentication to load protected pages in preview. If you're prompted, click login. This step ensures you can access the part of the app where the button was added. Once you're logged in and the preview is visible, navigate to the relevant page and verify the button is present. Look at spacing, alignment, and how it appears alongside other elements. That's all there is to it. You navigated to Base44, opened your app, used the editor to create a button by typing the command, previewed the result, and logged in to view it in context. If anything looks off, revisit the same page in the editor and adjust from there. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Base44.